In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Zoom event on Eventbrite. This is a quick and reliable way to access live online sessions, and the process is simpler than it might look. We'll walk through going to Eventbrite, finding an online event you're interested in, registering, and accessing the Zoom link you'll use to join. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Eventbrite's website. Once you're there, use the search bar to look up a topic, speaker, or organization you care about. To make sure you're seeing online events only, apply the filter for online. You can also adjust the date, price, and language filters so the results match your schedule and preferences. It's helpful to glance at the event's time zone on the listing to avoid confusion on the day of the event. Click into an event that interests you and read the description carefully. Organizers usually note that the session will be hosted on Zoom and may include details like agenda, required materials, or any restrictions. When you're ready, select Register or Tickets, choose the ticket type, and complete the checkout. You'll likely need to be signed in to your Eventbrite account. If you don't have one, you can create it during checkout. Make sure your email address is correct because that's where confirmations and reminders will go. After you've registered, Eventbrite will show a confirmation screen and send you a confirmation email. For online events, you'll get access to an online event page. That's where your Zoom access appears. Depending on the organizer, the Zoom link may show up immediately or closer to the start time. Look for buttons like Go to Online Event, View Links, or Access Event within your order confirmation or the email titled Your Tickets. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder and revisit your Eventbrite account under Tickets to open the event page directly. When the event time arrives, click the Zoom link from the online event page. Your browser will prompt you to open the Zoom app. If you don't have it installed, you can download it or join from your browser if the organizer allows. It's a good idea to join a few minutes early to test your audio and video, mute your microphone on entry if requested, and have headphones handy to reduce background noise. Keep the Eventbrite page open in case the host posts updates or resources during the session. And that's it. Go to Eventbrite, register for an online event, and use the provided Zoom link to join. Enjoy your event.